Hey guys, Mason here with Carns Equipment. Right here we have a brand new 2026 Kawasaki Ridge HVAC. This is the crew, so this is going to be able to seat the 6 people. This is the whitish beige color. It's kind of like a off-white kind of matte. It's not your glossy type. It's actually a really cool color, and as you can see, they colored matched with the A-arms as well. This machine is going to have your heat, AC, you're going to have your powered windows, DOT stamped glass all the way through, which is actually really nice. You don't have to worry about the polycarbonate. Now, this one is not going to be upfitted like the Ranch Edition, but the center seat actually folds down and turns into cup holders. Now, you can still upfit this with the Garmin system if you wanted to. You could put the Kawasaki speakers in there if you want that option to do so. So this is a little bit more of a price point machine for you guys that are looking to get into the side-by-sides that are enclosed. You have the families, you need a little extra space. This would be perfect. This still utilizes the infamous dump bed with the inline 4 1000. So you still keep that future. Now with the 26 models, these do come equipped with the 30-inch tires now, with the stability bars front and rear, so that side-to-side sway is a lot better. I would highly advise to come check it out or give us a call at 814-765-5684.